Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the front post single crochet. To begin, this is how you single crochet. You work through the stitches. Okay, to front post, we're working on a double crochet here so that you can see what I'm doing a little bit better instead of working on a single crochet. You're going to go from front to the back to the front. See how I'm working behind the stitch? Yarn over and pull back through. Yarn over, pull through two, just like a single crochet. Again, insert your hook from front to back to front. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, complete it like a single crochet. Now you can work this on any stitch. Just use the post. Say, I'm going to skip down a row, but if you're working on the half double crochet, just go behind the post. So pretty easy. So instead of working in the stitch, you're working around the post. And I'll show you what it looks like when we finish this row here. And I like to single crochet in the first and the last just to make it even. Okay, so what happens when you work on the front post? Your stitch is to the front, right here. It stays on the front. And then this is the stitch that you just worked on, those double crochets. But that's how you complete the front post single crochet. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.